Hi, it's me, Kate Angel. Welcome back to my channel. Look at me making a video. Wow, crazy, I know. I thought it would be cool if I made like a series of shorter videos of like simple like how-to scene things. And I figured this would be a perfect one because this is an ask I get all the time, is how I do my makeup. And it's like in videos on my channel already, but I don't have a specific how to do my makeup. So this is how to do the perfect scene raccoon eyes. So I start off with black eyeshadow. I use Wet n Wild black eyeshadow. It's cruelty free and that's why I use it. My eyes are fucking so red. Oh my god, they're so bloodshot. Sorry, it took me like 5 seconds to readjust the lighting. I start by just like outlining my eye. Like this. With black eyeshadow. And I do the same thing on the top. And I just kind of try and just kind of cover the eyelid. I don't go past the eyelid. Like once I hit the brow bone I stop, and I just try and like round it, and then I just continue to like fill it in. That's how, you know, that's how I start, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so that's the first step. Alright, second step is use your eyeliner. I recommend e.l.f. or Wet n Wild or NYX for your eyeliner. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to line your eyes again, but you're not going to do as big as you did before. So I'll start on the top. And you're going to go on the bottom and do the same thing. And then you do the same thing to the other eye. Alright, I'm also gonna do my waterline, which is this right here. People hate that I pull my fucking face down for this, but you know what? You can suck my ass. Do whatever I want. And my favorite thing is when people comment about how I do my makeup and they're like, oh my god, you're gonna get wrinkles. I'm like, I don't fucking care. And then I usually, I like touch it up a little bit after. To make sure it's all like even and stuff and it's not very like streaky or whatever. So that's how you do the perfect black raccoon eyes for your scene or emo look or whatever else you're doing. Maybe you just want to do big black eyes for whatever you're doing. So thanks for watching, and I hope you found the advice helpful. Have a good one, my guys, and I'll see you next time next year.